We have created another instance, right? This is another approach. This is case, let's call this case 3, right? Case 3. I hope you are noting down these cases, right? This is case 3, right? Now, the difference in between this, right, this traditional approach, right, and what we have before is that this method, my name, right, is defined on the constructor function, right? The constructor function prototype. This. Now let's log this. Let's have something like this. We do the name of this class, which is me class dot, right, dot prototype, and see what we are going to have. Let's run this. Okay, let's console.log. Let me put an identifier here. Right, you can see what we have now. We have what? We have the method, right? We have the method my name, right? Because we are logging the prototype. Like I said, this method, the way we define this method is defined on the constructor functions prototype. The constructor function what? Prototype. Now if we log me the class prototype, we would have, as you can see here, we have the method that has been defined, that has been created. We have it in the prototype, in the construction function prototype. Exactly. Now, but let's look at the instance. Let's create the instance now in this case, and let's log the instance. Let's just log the instance. Right. I'm going to log the instance. Right. Let's call this here. Okay, instance dot. Let's call this year 2, right, as an identifier, right? Now let's look at the subtle difference between with where we are going to, right? Now look at this. Now when we log the prototype, what do we have? We have the method, right? And you can, as you can see, the method is what? Is a function, even telling you it as what is an anonymous function, right? But this is an arrow function, right? But as you can see, we decompose in this case from an anonymous function to an arrow function. But this is a function, right? It's a method, right? But when we log the instance, we get that it is a class, right? And the only property that we could see available here is what? Is the name. Did you see that? The only property that we could see available is the name.